Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Here's the wig company. This wig is supposed to come pre-plucked, pre-cut. $10 if you leave a 5-star review. Not for this wig. Synthetic, y'all. Synthetic. Look at this. One of my fingers through it is really soft. It's thick. When you get down to the ends though, it does tangle. I'm still trying to see if this wig shed. So far you get one small strand out of this wig.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still I'm next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away, and still right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, it's not that I